Hello everybody, this video solution is recorded during the second wave of the COVID epidemic. I say this for the students who will watch this in the future. Probably you have heard about this COVID epidemic only from your history books, and now here we are. Okay, let's do it. Exam74, it's a midterm for course 27000, therefore you will not see access. Okay, during the COVID epidemic, people used to receive the file through email. Yes, they do the exam at home. Let's see, I share my screen. Okay, so this is the file. I suppose you have received it via email. Let's open it. Okay. List of cryptocurrencies. In column H, insert liquid when the volume, column E, is at least 20% of the market cap, column C. Otherwise, insert a dash. So, equal if volume is at least 20% of market cap. You can write 20% or you can alternatively write 0.2. They are perfectly equivalent. Okay, in this case we insert liquid. Otherwise we insert a dash. Okay, I click. I put a quick check. Well, Bitcoin is 35 billions compared to 240 billions. Yes, it's not 20%. While Tether is even more the volume with respect to market cap, so it's liquid. Okay. Fine. In cell K2, insert the sum of market cap in number format with no decimal digits. Okay, I changed the number format. I don't remember whether in the Mac this exists. However, in the Mac you can go to... yes, it exists also for the Mac. So I removed the decimal digits. Okay, now I save. Okay, in cell K3, so here, insert the sum of market cap for all currencies whose name starts with Bitcoin. Okay, this one is a little challenging, so there's time to think. This is why I waste a little time in the video, so your colleagues will have more time. So there are two possible solutions here. One, which is pretty straightforward, we didn't do in class, but some of you probably have done it somehow, because I always see students using it. Equal sum if. Okay, I check column B as range where the names are, okay, and then as criteria Bitcoin asterisk. Okay, it's incredible. It works, and I sum market cap. Okay, 2.410 to the power of 11. An alternative one, which is the one I expect everybody is able to do, you have to think, I have to put as condition that the beginning of the name is Bitcoin. Okay, so this one here. Okay, so first of all I get the beginning of the name, so left, this one. How many characters? B-I-T-S-O-I-N, 7. Okay, and now I can easily equal sum if range criteria Bitcoin sum range C colon C. Okay, same result obviously. I save. In a new sheet, build an histogram of price column D. So price. Data analysis. Obviously you must have installed it. Histogram. Okay. Well, the professor here suggested you use beans 1, 2, 3. So let's take his suggestion. If you try not using those beans, you will see. So let's put here the beans 1, 2, 3. Obviously not 1, 2, 3, and that's it. If you look at the picture, I arrive at least up to 20. You don't have to make it equal to my picture. If you choose other beans and they produce a decent histogram, it's fine. Okay, if you use beans, for example, up to 25, even though I ask only up to 20, it's fine anyway. Okay, so, and even if you choose other bins, but the histogram must be at least decent. I save. Okay, let's go. Data analysis, histogram, input range, price, bin range. Remember, you have to take also the header, because for price you had the header included, so labels. Okay, if you have the header here, you must have the header also here. Second thing to remember, in particular in Windows, you cannot choose the entire column M, because your Windows computer will stuck. It's a little bug. Okay, maybe it has been solved in 365, but I don't want to try now, and you don't want to try at exam, I'm pretty sure. Okay, don't forget to flag chart output. Press OK. Okay, let's see whether the histogram is decent. Well, it looks like mine, so double click, choose no gap. Here it is histogram. Save. Go back to sheet first. Copy the percentages column G into column A of a new sheet called exam. Copying the values only. Please look that I notice that I underline copying the values only, because percentage, as you can see, it's a formula. So I have to, first of all, let's create the new sheet, call it exam. I go back to sheet first, I copy, and then into the new sheet I paste values. Okay, make it larger for the people with a small screen. Okay, save. In sheet exam, which is this one, apply an automatic color scale to column A from green for low values to yellow with a midpoint of 0.01 to red. What does it mean, midpoint 0.01? Well, let's try and we will see. Color scales, green, yellow and red. It's here. Is it here? Yes. No, red, yellow and green. Or this one? Not this one. Green for low values. This time the professor was good. Okay, conditional formatting, manage rules. Let's check. Edit rules. Okay, that's the midpoint. So green for low values, red for high values. As a midpoint, the professor says 0.01, so number 0.01. Let me write in the text that I have to specify number. Okay. I produced a video solution before the exam is actually delivered to the students, so I check it also. Okay, apply. Oh, wonderful. Look how wonderful it is. Save. In column B of this new sheet exam, insert a value Z for which the probability of getting a random value out of a normal distribution with mu equals 0 and sigma equal 1 is the value in column A. Okay, well, the sentence is contorted, but you have immediately guess what do I want. I want norm inv here. Okay, this is the probability. Okay, the mean is 0 and the sigma. By the way, a normal distribution with mu equals 0 and sigma 1, it's called standard normal distribution, just for your statistical knowledge. Click, click. Okay. Oh, all the numbers are negative. Is this correct? Well, if mu is 0, for 0.5 you have exactly 0. Values smaller than 0.5, it's clearly negative. So those of you who have some basic knowledge of statistics, I hear that in the meantime the workers outside my windows are busy. Okay, luckily there is somebody who works apart from me. In sheet concert, you find the budget of a concert in the good old days when they were possible. Okay, fill in the 4 missing formulas using the indications written in column C. Okay, so number of tickets, price per ticket, talent, it's how much do you pay for your rock star, venue, how much do you pay for the place, equipment, talent to the power of 1.2 divided by 10. Clearly depends on the talent, because an important rock star wants a lot of lights and a lot of special effects. talent, so this one, to the power of 1.2 divided by 10. Okay. Clearly it's not 1.2 divided by 10, but the rest. Now I'm sure that this works. This is the busiest street ever this afternoon. I'm sure that it works, but if you want just to be very sure, let's put some parentheses here. Okay. So we pay a reasonable amount. My computer, I don't understand why, uses British pound. If your computer uses any other currency, it's fine. Okay, I remind you that Excel doesn't even store the currency. Now here, number of tickets by price per ticket. This is obvious. Number of tickets by price per ticket. What we gain. 60,000 pounds or whatever. Merchandising. So we sell things with a brand of the Rockstar. 5 times the number of tickets minus the price squared. Because the higher the price, the less the people want to spend in merchandising, obviously. Equal 5 by number of tickets minus the price squared. Okay, food. 15 times the number of tickets. 15 times the number of tickets. Okay. Minus 10 times the price squared. Also here, if it is very expensive, the people will bring the food from home. It's not true. Minus 10 times the price square. So 10 times the price square. Okay. Total revenue. This one, okay, fine. Perhaps it's not a bad idea if I put also in the text this one, so you will get it. Let me screenshot it. Screenshotted. Okay. Now, done. Save. Set up a scenario manager with number of tickets and price per ticket as variables and profit as result. So, data, what if analysis, scenario manager, add scenario name with the scenario of few tickets, so few tickets. Okay, changing cell to okay, so less tickets, number of tickets 1000. Okay, another scenario. Where is it? Low price. Okay, we now reduce the price to 20. Another scenario. High price. Let's increase the price to 40. Done. Okay. Produce a scenario summary sheet. Obviously, summary. Our result is the profit. Okay. Done. The professor did not ask me to set up the cell, so I don't do it. Okay. That's it. Seems that the trick is setting up a high price. But also low price works. Oh no, doesn't work too much. Okay, anyway, let's go back here. Using a solver, find the optimal number of tickets and price to maximize your profit, considering that merchandising and food cannot be negative, obviously, and that total costs cannot exceed 100,000. Okay, so, solver, set objective, my profit, I want to maximize, changing the cell, this true, constraints, add. First of all, merchandising and food cannot... Okay, you could make them both at the same time in this way. Okay. Or you could write them one after the other. Or you could alternatively put them here. So put merchandising larger or equal 0 as we do it traditionally. This time I will do an alternative one, so not traditionally. So merchandising larger or equal than 0. Add food larger or equal than 0. Add something else. Total cost cannot exceed 100,000. Total cost, because we have a starting budget, 100,000. Okay. Is there any other constraint? Well, for the moment, let's say no other constraint. Okay. I run it. Make unconstrained variables non-negative. Yes, number of tickets and price per ticket cannot be negative. Solve. Okay, we have that you have to sell 7,170.09 tickets. Well, clearly nobody will buy 0.09 tickets, so there is another constraint that we have to put. Add the fact that the number of tickets must be integer. The price doesn't need to be integer, you can also be fractional. Okay, run again. Okay, 7170, obviously it's very similar. The professor doesn't require the answer sheet, so it's fine. That's it. Let's see whether the numbers make sense. We have a huge revenue. The cost is almost maximum. Have a huge revenue, mostly because of tickets, with a price of 85. Okay, no merchandising. We can close the merchandising, and a lot of food. So fill in those fry those hamburgers. Okay, done. Save. Okay, here during the COVID crisis, you send me back the file via email. Okay, during the standard lessons, you copy the file into the network folder, and everything is finished. Bye bye.